Kill it. Kill it, sucker. Kill it.
Good boy, Camille.
Keep just holding it.
We missed. There's 3 of them. Look at some.
I don't have any shells.
Good boy, Camille. There's 3 now. We got 2 out of that one. Good boy, Camille. Good boy. Good boy, come here. Where's the duck?
Where did you take the duck?
Behind.
Dude, where did you take the duck?
Behind.
Go get the duck. Give us the duck.
Camille, good boy.
Is that duck alive or is it dead from blood loss? Did we not chew him down? Oh, that's... I want to hold it. Please. Oh, the first mallard drink. Oh, I love this. I love these things.
We kill a bandit, you can have it foot back.
Yeah.
That way you know, oh yeah.
Hey, the mallard's beak is a little messed up, a little scratched. It won't go back. I think someone hit a BB against it. Usually we destroy the hens, but this time they're actually quite safe.
Yeah, we actually kill this.
They're actually in good shape.
They're good shape.
Considering.
Good shape, good shape.
Just unload.
That's a good, we didn't destroy much out of it.
I mean, its beak's a little damaged here and there, a little cracked.
Ain't that bad.
And you can fix it.
It's just good patch it. That's the main thing. They're good looking though.
The color colors up will make them look pretty.
I mean,
The mallard's still the prettiest though, because it's way bigger.
yeah.
Oh yeah, you neck shotted it. One of you guys hit the neck. Got tripped by a dog.
Got tripped. Told you, you better be careful walking out there.
But when a dog runs in front of you trying to snatch the duck out of your hands, it's a little...
Just like, you better be careful. Don't take long. Good thing it wasn't cold today.
That water's freezing. What are you talking about?
Oh, wasn't that cold?
Put your feet in the water.
Yeah, squeeze it out. Pull all the way. Pull all the way up and then squeeze it out. Oh, you good thing it wasn't yesterday. Pull it up a little bit. No.
Trying to.
Right, pull your arm up. A little bit. Got it? Yeah. Up a little bit more.
Yeah.
Do the twisting. Electric twist. It up.
Twist.
A couple more. Got it.
That's the part that's on the wire. I thought some went in my way, but it came right here. And I got up and I was like, there's nothing in there. Shake it.
Well, that is.
We went over one by one. Achievement.
3 ducks. We went over the limit today. 3 ducks.
Maybe 3 is our
Instead of 2 ducks, we got 3 today.
We set a new record.
New record. No, we did not. We done a day.
4 or 5 is like our
We
record.
get that killed 5 a day.
5 is a good amount for here. For like 4 and 5.
Wow, no, it's not a good amount. We ought to be killed more. Like it's not.
No.
It's not that cold.
That went to the water too.
It wasn't that cold, right?
No, my hand's not that cold.
It wasn't that cold.
It's my arm that's cold.
Kania was so good. Kania, you're so good.
Yes, running to when we tell you to come back and you just run away.
Yeah. Now when he get to that side, he would go to land. Yesterday too. Huh?
He went over there. He got that duck. He went to land.
Yeah, yesterday too when we would chase the other duck, he went down and took up there. Yeah, I'm going first.
If I hadn't got there any faster, he would have ate it.
I said, I'm going first. I ain't worried
What
about
is this? It's like gold. Gold.
Well, no, this the feather. I like that one right there because we make a fly fishing. I used to use that for fly fishing.
Fly fishing. Brim literally looked at it. Like you would see Brim would sit at the top and just stare at the bug flying across the water and stuff. And then a bass would just sit there and look at it.
Yeah,
They just looked at it. Oh no.
You and Camille.
Eating the feather.
critters.
He'll eat them, brother. Hard over there. Look, pick up decoys on the first time. You learning?